Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So
Oh, you want me to turn that off?
So if you're new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky, and do follow me on other social media. Links are below in the description box. And she's Eliza, you know. Okay.
Hi.
Okay, so she just came back from school. So I picked up my order from SPENDLESS shoes.
Thursday.
I think I ordered on Thursday. I got today. Today is Tuesday 29th August. So this is everything in this package. Eliza's graduation is coming up, so I thought of like ordering some shoes for her to match her dress. Like I picked up few, and also I think I got one bag, just like this one I think, but in different color. So I'm going to open this and let's see if Eliza likes it or not, or we have to return. When I went to pick up, the lady said like if you don't like or like it doesn't fit, we can exchange. So that's good. Like when I went to like Helensville last time, they said they won't be like returning now. Okay, wow. I didn't know it came in another bag. Let's see.
Really?
Wow.
Bag in a bag.
This is so cool. Okay, so let's open this small one first.
Uh-oh. I'm scared because I don't know what any of these are. Oh.
Okay, first thing is this receipt.
We can't show that.
Yeah, what we ordered. Okay, first thing I ordered some things for myself, which I will show. Okay, I'll show this later. First, let's see what
Rude.
I got for Eliza because she's waiting. So, oh, another bag. Oh, came so nicely packed in like different bags. Okay.
It's a
Wow.
bag and a bag and a bag.
Yeah. Okay, first thing is
Uh-oh.
literally I don't know. Like I ordered a few in size 9 and few in size 8. That's what was available there. So.
It's a heel.
Oh, this is the one I wanted for a dress.
Wow.
This is so cool.
Wow.
You like it? I love it. It will go so well with the a dress, and like the heel size is really good too.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow.
This is so pretty. Do like see pictures on Instagram. I will be loading her pictures on Instagram so you can see her graduation pictures. They are literally, it's so pretty. I love it. And I got a matching bag with this.
Genius.
Wow. Is it big? It's good for your phone, no? It will fit.
Yeah.
So this is the bag. It's this normal bag with this strap thingy, gold strap thingy, and it's so matching the shoes. Literally, it's so matching. Look at it. Nice choice, na, Eliza?
Yeah.
Beautiful choice, na? You like it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that it will match this much. The next one I got, like I should have only bought that too, but I wasn't sure if it will fit her or not. So let's see another one. Whenever I'm buying online, I'm not sure. So, oh, we got one of this from City Beach one time. Same brand, the black one.
Oh.
Okay, this is the one. Looks beautiful. This one is in size 8, so it will fit.
Why is it like that? Why is it so flat and then it just...
Looks beautiful. I like it. So this one she won't wear with her dress.
My bad. At school. Damn. All I did was eat all day.
Eat?
Yeah.
Oh, it was a party day.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what we got here. Next thing is another heel.
Is that the same one?
Oh. Okay. This one looks like this. It's silver in size 9, so I got this for myself.
Oh. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Wow. Yeah, size 40.
So like it fits me, Eliza, Isha, all like we are in between like size 8, 9. So it's beautiful. The order is coming or not. Front door open, eh?
Yeah. Jelly.
Okay. Let's see another one. We just ordered some food from Red Rooster. Let's see this one. What's in here? We are not trying, but like look at this one.
Whoa.
It's so pretty.
Why is it so thick?
It's beautiful. This one is in size 8. Gorgeous, no? Literally, it's so pretty. Okay, this is it, I think, and I got some sneakers. So this is the first one. Beautiful. Like it. The design and everything is really good, I think. So it's really good for like walking out. So the next one is the same one in different color. I think now it's a bit different or same. Okay, bit different in color blue. So like spring and summer is coming up, so I thought I'll buy some of these colorful ones. Really, really beautiful. Like it. Girls won't like it, but I like it.
I don't know if that fits.
It's gorgeous. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you like it. Do subscribe, like, comment and share, and also like follow me on other social media. Like literally Eliza's gonna be like trying her shoes, and Eliza's trying her shoes, so yeah, it's nice. And we are going to like post pictures on Instagram. It's not her graduation day, it's a formal. Okay, graduation will be in November. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.